FieldPulse doesn't have a single public price because the total cost changes depending on the plan level, number of users, and which field service tools a business needs. By the end, you'll understand how FieldPulse pricing is structured, what actually affects what you pay, and how to estimate the real cost before you commit. FieldPulse is a field service management platform used by contractors to manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, estimates, and customer communication in one system. Instead of one fixed monthly subscription, pricing is built around plan tiers that unlock different levels of features. Now explain what plan tiers mean. Plan tiers are different versions of the software, where higher levels include more advanced tools like automation, reporting, and team coordination features. Lower tiers focus on basic operations like job scheduling and invoicing, while higher tiers are designed for larger teams managing more complex workflows. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is the feature set included in the plan, since more advanced tools are usually grouped into higher tiers. The second factor is team size, because adding more users increases the overall cost of the platform. Now explain what you're actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one system that replaces multiple separate tools like scheduling software, invoicing systems, and customer management apps. That matters because businesses often compare it to the combined cost of several subscriptions instead of a single app. Now explain who uses it. FieldPulse is mainly used by service businesses like HVAC companies, plumbing contractors, electrical companies, and other field-based teams that manage jobs and technicians. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing can feel unclear because it is not based on one fixed number, but on how a business is structured and which features are activated inside the platform. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking FieldPulse has a universal price, when in reality, the cost scales with both team size and operational complexity. Now, explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate FieldPulse pricing is to compare how many tools it replaces in your current workflow instead of focusing only on monthly cost. Now, explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller businesses may not fully use the advanced features, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler scheduling or invoicing tools. Now, simplify it. FieldPulse pricing is tied to business needs, not a fixed subscription that stays the same for every company. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need basic scheduling and invoicing, while larger teams benefit more because they can centralize scheduling, dispatching, and customer management in one system. Do this next. List every tool you currently use for scheduling, invoicing, estimates, and customer communication. Then compare that list to what FieldPulse replaces in one platform. If FieldPulse replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two, a simpler tool is usually the better fit.